Welcome to use Zealot products.
Guys, I don't eat granite normally. I'm very hungry, that's actually why I'm eating this. I don't eat it normally. Forgive the noise in the background. I feel like in the next few days, acne, if I take this too much, then I'm definitely going to have pimples. I cannot afford to have pimples. I just came out of like a very bad acne period, and the reason was because of like, you know, monthly visitor, that's the period, and it was very bad this time. So I don't know why I'm saying this and still eating this. Like, that's messed up. Hey guys, so I just finished cooking something I'd eat. The time is currently, I think, 3 p.m. and I've not eaten yet. So we are having macaroni and eggs. So oh, this is so cute.
It goes class. Maybe this so day glow. Hold me tight, but only if I say.
Hey favorite, so it's another day. This is the next day. Today is Thursday. I was supposed to do my lashes yesterday, but the person who was supposed to do it for me wasn't available. I don't think she'll be available today, but she said we can see on Friday. So I'm so happy for you guys to come with me to go get my lash extensions done. These are days in my life, right? I know this is quite random. It's literally so random. But the reason why I've not been vlogging since is because I've been at home. I'm always at home. I'm literally always at home. This is my favorite place in the world to be. On this bed, you see this bed right here? I don't joke with it. So I barely go out, and the thought of I can't keep filming all my vlogs inside my room, inside one place. You understand? I do live with my parents, so I can't like do the entire kind of full vlog where I bathe, where I do this. I just do it inside my room, and then maybe when I step out. So I had lots of limitations. You won't believe me. Wait, let me sit down while I say this. Would you believe I filmed about 7 sets of vlogs last year? I started filming early last year, let's say in March, like this time last year. I filmed about 7 series of vlogs. I didn't edit any. None of them made it to my YouTube channel. At the end of the year, I had them till the end of the year, then I deleted most of them. I left only 2 that had like core, like during my birthday, when I gifted my dad a new phone, when I received my table. If you've seen my room, you see that table in my room. It was gifted to me by Taylor Nigeria. So when they gifted it to me, I recorded it. It was supposed to be a vlog. Honey, none of those vlogs made it to my channel. I don't know why. I felt like I wanted my life to be kind of like private. I thought I was a free person. I'm learning myself afresh, and I'm finding out new things about me. And wow, some of them are beautiful, some of them are scary, some of them are, it's just crazy. I believe in subsequent times we'll discuss more about that. But for now, what I have planned for today is editing on my phone. Then there's the content I've been meaning to film that you guys would love. It's not a hair content. It's in line with glow up videos, and you know you guys eat up my glow up videos. Like, you guys have been loving it. So I want to do more like a fashion. You get how to wear one outfit 5 different times and make it look amazing. That's exactly what I want to do. I just need energy to like get up and film. I need energy to do that. So I may do that today, or I may edit all my videos because I have tons of videos to edit on my phone. Love you guys.
Purpose, is it worth it when you're down and feeling deserted? Simple kind of feelings.
Hi guys, so it's another day. I'm getting ready for my lash appointment. Yeah, you guys, my hair is smelling. Like, it's not smelling right now if I touch it, but I can actually perceive it. I believe it's because of the water I'm applying on my hair. The hair goes with water, so I need to wash my hair like tomorrow. I think I'll do that tomorrow when I get back. But for now, let me get ready. See what I'm putting on. Later, I'm going to do a full outfit show off, outfit of the day for you guys to see what I'm wearing. So let me just do a little touch up and then put on my wig, then we go.
Another one. We the best music. DJ Chit.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookies for the bagging. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rocking with you. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town, I hit with ya.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard they got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make it cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, okay. Call me and I can get it juicy. I can tell you gone off the doors.
I hope you know I'm for the tagging. You know this cookies for the bagging.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard they got these other niggas going crazy. I hope it don't.
So guys, she said this is very good. What do you guys think about it?
Burned out cremation. I know I fuck it till you burned out cremation. Careful, mama, why would you say? You talking to me like your new babe. You talking like you trying to do.
Hi guys, so I'm back. I went to the market to buy some items. Let me just show you what I got. I'm very tired. I've not eaten since. That's very bad for me. So let me show you what I got.
Now that pipe gotta run it like she Usain, baby. You made me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby Boucher, baby. And you know I'm a slaughter like I'm Jason. Bustin' why you got it on safety.
I don't know if you could take and fear of you. I'm too little to dim down a notch. Cause I can into things that I'm gonna do. What? I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the begging.
Okay, so the next item is from Temu. I am a Temu girl. I've been buying a couple of things from them. This is like my fifth order, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to show you what I got. I actually bought this because of the free items. You know, you have to buy something to get free items. So yeah, I really hope this turns out fine. Because what we ordered this time was shoe. 2 shoes actually. So I pray it's good for my size.
Pussy for the taking. I heard they got these other niggas going crazy.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookie's for the begging.
Yeah, I treat you like a lady. Fuck you till you burned out cremation.
Hi favorites, so I'm going to be ending this vlog here. I am so impressed with everything I bought from them. The shoes came as expected. They've not disappointed me yet, so I knew the shoe was going to work out. And it is my exact size. Bye guys, see you in my next vlog.